Hi everybody and welcome to Fab Tax. I'm Rosemary and today I'm excited to share another Farmhouse Fall Dollar Tree DIY. Today I have a fall wreath on a jute hoop with neutral colors and a buffalo check bow. This is the third video in our Farmhouse Fall series and I've supplied links to the first two in the description box below. Also in the description box is a complete material list for this project. As always, we'd like to thank our subscribers and all of those who have viewed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Y'all are awesome. Your participation really does help our channel grow, and your support is really appreciated. If you are not yet a subscriber and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you join the family. With that, let's get started. To start, I took one of these wreath forms from the Dollar Tree and I only wanted to use the outer edge of that, so I got a wire cutters and I removed the inner ring from the wreath form by just clipping there along the crossbars. Next, I took a roll of the jute twine from the Dollar Tree and proceeded to tie it onto the wire of the form. And then I wrapped the entire form with the jute twine. This is a time-consuming process. It did take me about 45 minutes from start to finish to wrap the whole hoop. So it might be something you want to do while watching a television show, or actually did this last night when I was at my son's football practice. So this is what it looks like after it's all been wrapped, and I just took the edge or the end and wrapped it around and tied it off. To decorate my jute hoop, I got these little clip-on pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and I got 2 packs of those. And then I got these cotton stems, also from the Dollar Tree, and I got 2 of those. And then I purchased these lamb's ear from Walmart. And I believe for the 2-pack stem or 2-piece stem, it was $1.98, I think, something like that. To attach the florals to the hoop, I'm going to use the wrapped jute twine itself by sliding the stems through the middle of the wrapping. So since these lamb's ear are kind of thick stemmed, it is a little bit, they're a little thick, so these are the hardest ones to get through. So, just kind of enter it through a hole in the twine, and then begin sliding it through. And then it helps a little if you kind of pinch those edges together, and it makes a little tunnel for the stems to go through. And if the end of a stem start popping through down below, I just slid it right back in and popped it right underneath and kept sliding the stem through. And then I did the same thing for the second piece of lamb's ear on this side. And these lamb's ear that come from Walmart do come with a kind of long piece and a short piece. And so I put the longer stem piece on first, and now I'm applying the second smaller piece. After I completed putting on the lamb's ear at the top of the wreath, I started to put on the lamb's ear at the bottom of the wreath. And again, starting with the long piece first, and then that shorter stem second. Next, I took my cotton stem from the Dollar Tree And since it kind of didn't look so great as one piece, sometimes they do, but this time no, I took them and separated each of the stems. I decided to place the cotton stems at the bottom of the lamb's ear. I put the first lower and towards the right, and then the second a little higher and towards the left. And then I just added my acorn stems, and I did this in the same way. I just slid them between the pieces of twine on the hoop. And you can see with the thinner wire, the thinner stem, how much easier it is for the stems to go through and slide between the twine. Next, I added those cute little clip-on pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Then I just repeated the same arrangement on the other side. To make my bow, I used this buffalo check ribbon that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Now I got this ginormous roll because it was 50% off, so for $5 I was able to get 75 feet of ribbon, and since I expect to use a lot of buffalo check this season, it just made sense. However, if you just needed a small amount, I believe there is a roll that is about $3.99, and that would be plenty to make a bow. And of course, with the discounts, either the 50% off sale, or if they're not, the ribbon isn't on sale, you can just get the 40% coupon, and you're coming over just a little $2 for the bow. I'm making this bow just using the loop method and just giving it an initial tail. I'm trying to indicate there that it's value packed for a reason. It's value ribbon for a reason. It's like pieced together and whatever. Anyway, I just do loops like that, kind of left to right, holding it in the center. And I made 5 loops on each side. And then I just kind of pinch it in the middle and wire it together. And it makes a lovely bow, as you will see in a second. Then I just use the wire to attach it to the hoop. Next, I took this little welcome sign I got from the Dollar Tree. They come 3 to a pack. I believe the others are like Harvest and Thankful. And I took one of these skewers, and I'm going to make a little pick. The skewer also comes from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make a pick by hot gluing the back of the skewer to the L of the welcome sign. Then I again took the jute twine and hot glued the end to the top of the skewer, and then wrapped the skewer with the twine. I then took some more of the hot glue and applied it to the skewer, and then wrapped the twine, leaving about a 3-inch tail. After inserting the skewer into the hoop, I hot glued the E of welcome onto the hoop. Then I wrapped that 3-inch tail from the wrapped skewer around the hoop and then tied it off. Then I put a dab of hot glue at the base of the skewer where it meets the hoop, and then took the remaining tail of the wrapped skewer and wrapped it around the hot glue, securing it into place. And here's the finished project. I hung it here on the wall because on the door it was kind of hard to see some of the details and the different colors with the light coming through. But you can see it also does look great on a wall, and if you wanted to hang it on a wall, you might want to consider one of the other metal cutouts that come in that 3-pack package from the Dollar Tree. So either Thankful or Harvest might be more appropriate for a wall hanging. Also, please leave us a message below and let us know if you are a fan of the neutral colors for fall, or are you more of a traditionalist, or maybe you are enjoying these new jeweled tone colors. Give us a comment and let us know. We'd appreciate it. I hope you have enjoyed this Farmhouse Fall Dollar Tree DIY. We have many more coming up in the Farmhouse Fall series, including more wreaths, wall hangings, lanterns, and so much more. So if you are not already subscribed, you may want to do so that you can see them as soon as they're published. If you liked the video, please remember to give us a thumbs up, and please share with any family and friends who you think might also like this video. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.